There's an old saying in the mining industry: if it isn't grown, it's mined. Aside from the food we eat, virtually everything else in our daily lives comes from mining. And as we continue to shift to green energy technologies and a more sustainable future while reducing our foreign dependence on critical materials, our mining engineers promise to play a heavy role in that transition. For mining engineers, gone are the days of pickaxes and shovels. Our engineers are trained to work with cutting-edge technology and machinery to extract a wide range of materials that go on to become cell phones, vehicles, energy components, and all the other building blocks that make up a modern society.
A lot of people, when they think of mining, they think of old westerns or cartoons and some little hole in the ground, with a prospector and his pickaxe and a canary. The modern mining industry couldn't be more different. It's a very high-tech industry using multi-million-dollar machines to extract minerals from the ground.
We use sophisticated technology, continuous monitors, loading machines, shuttle cars. All these things, we don't hand load anymore. So there's a misconception there. We're highly advanced and very technological.
The supply chain starts with mining. There isn't an aspect of society that isn't touched by mining engineers.
Mining is something that we can't do without. Everything we're doing, like the camera that I'm talking to or the cell phone that somebody might be watching this video on, it comes from minerals.
Our students learn how to do this sustainably with minimal impact on the environment. Better yet, they learn how to reclaim mines in ways that produce critical minerals and rare earth elements.
The modern mining industry is laser focused on safety, the health of the workers, the health of the communities that they surround.
Is this major right for you? Engineers need to be organized, disciplined, and flexible. Mining engineering is no different, but there are so many different career paths available.
Operations, engineering, equipment and design sales, commodity sales, mine and plant optimization and troubleshooting. You can be in the office one day and in the field the next.
The program definitely prepares you for a career in government or academia, research. I'd really say the sky's the limit for a new grad mining engineer.
A new mining engineer can expect to be a leader in their selected career path in a short time. The industry will experience a significant turnover due to retirements in the next 10 years.
Bringing skill sets that include an understanding of the application of smart mining technology, including knowledge of cutting-edge research and the application of automation and control, will help anyone go far in their career and around the globe.
At Penn State, we offer much more than just a degree. There are opportunities to travel to mine sites and conferences, hear global experts speak, conduct research as an undergraduate, and work with researchers at a Tier 1 research university, and participate in organizations, both social and professional.
The mining program here is a smaller program. It's a Penn State engineering program, so you take the same basic engineering classes, the maths, the sciences, you get that Penn State brand as far as your general engineering. Then the mining program is a lot more like a family almost.
Our students often earn internships and scholarships.
And our graduates go on to earn competitive salaries starting at $75,000 a year, the second highest engineering major next to petroleum and natural gas.
100% of our recent graduates found careers in the mining industry.
A mining engineering degree here pretty much prepares you for whatever path you want to take. If you want to work for a mining company, that's kind of the sweet spot, but the skills that you learn here, the internships, the industry connections you make, will definitely prepare you to work as a supplier, work for government, academia, mining company, any commodity that's out there. It'll be a good fit.